better way to start off a channel with the delivery of a Porsche 911 Turbo S. So we came to Porsche Tampa today to finally get it. So let's go inside.
Can't call her Eleanor because there's already Eleanor.
All right, I think we're ready. Pop's getting his new car today. Yeah, sweet. We're leaving Ford, not Ford. We're leaving Porsche now. Holy shit. Hell yeah. All right, so we picked up the Porsche this morning, obviously. So now we're gonna go check out the Mustang. Working on getting it supercharged. So we're gonna go take a look at it now. All right, here she is. Let's see what they've done to it. Holy shit, dude. Oh, that is mean. No kidding. Well, need something like that to keep up with the Porsche.
Plug it in.
No, baby, it's not electric.
No.
What do you think?
What was I supposed to know?
Pop's gonna take her for a little ride. See what she thinks when she gets back. Still like the GT3 better. There he goes. Oh, I see a car. There you are.
Holy fuck. Holy fuck.
Where's... There he goes. He's so cute. What'd you think?
This shit's insane.
Bro, isn't it fucking nuts?
Congratulations, seriously. Wow.
Look at is that Nick over there? Yeah. It's pretty snazzy. Huh?
The purple's like it was popping.
And the spoiler in the back goes up and down. You got a front spoiler too, which I have no idea how the fuck that works, but what up, gang?
Holy fuck. Wow.
What's up, man?
You know him, he came to yeah.
Next time I don't have to talk shit, I can just say, hey, this is what I got.
Yeah.
No, it's not showing pictures of you in a McLaren, you're actually in the shit.
This thing's fucking disgusting. Yeah, okay. This thing's like, is it aftermarket exhaust or no?
Yeah. And it's got PPF. Fucking, can you believe these wheels are 315s, bro?
Are you sure? Yeah, come on. I didn't get it to for myself.
This thing's fucking, I didn't know it was bad.
There's no fucking way.
Yeah, hit it again real quick. Now we're clogging up traffic. Yeah. It's kind of crazy. Is it loud, babe?
People are going by, phones out, recording.
So that is the day. He's going on his way now. And tomorrow we will be picking up the Mustang. There you go. Now you can see him go away. That thing is nuts. So tomorrow, you'll see us pick up the Supercharged Mustang, going to get wheels and tires on it. I gotta fix my hair. So we'll see you tomorrow. Right, babe?
Fuck yeah.
And we'll have the Mustang. Put it in there. Oh, I got it. Jesus Christ. Yeah, it's cute.
Gotta say large intake.
Yeah. Give her a little bit of juice, Steve. You know, people like whacking it cold because it's louder. I always call them dumb.
Yes.
All right, so as you can tell, we just picked up.
Pennsylvania?
Yeah,
You're living here now?
yeah. It's too cold.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
But the insurance is better there.
Oh sure, but it sucks here. It's
So,
expensive.
yeah.
I'm paying more now than I ever did.
The house pays for itself since we save on insurance.
Yes.
Take it easy. Oh. Doesn't have the parking brake on. I'm like, why is it beeping at me? So obviously we just picked up the Mustang. So we're gonna go get a few clips. We're gonna throw the 360 mount on the back in a little bit. I gotta clean off the windshield or the window, and then we'll take it for a couple clips. So, you excited?
Yeah, I'm fucking pumped.
And we gotta go see Vaughn at Kia. So I'll see you there.
Mustang's back. Supercharged. Riding with the
Yeah. It's not too bad.
That's driving.
Huh? It's all right. I ain't pushed it too much yet.
Small tires on. You got some
Real five, finally.
He punched it yet with the 255? But he punched it, he like got it a little bit. You can see the front end like fucking.
Yeah, I did like maybe like 3/4 of the way down the whole fucking front. Need a wheelie bar on this motherfucker. Yeah, you want to hear it? I'm gonna hit it for them. Did you hear it? Can you hear the whine?
Yeah, you can hear it. What, you want to hear it?
Yeah, do it for me. Go to like 7. All right, we'll go to 6.
I got a Hellcat.
Time for new tires. Mustang. Nick, say what up. What up? We got Nick's Sting. The best thing. Baby. Tell them what you're doing.
We are pulling up to get a staggered fit on the Stang, and we're getting
All the Stangs. Fuck, where's my phone? The good old R&R.
Car's pulling up right now. Sounds a lot better. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, look at those wheels, baby. Shit. Yeah, those look real good. I'm happy that I went with those ones. Were you the one that popped the hood?
Yeah.
You didn't realize?
No.
It doesn't whine like at all.
No,
Even
because he told me, and I was like, because he came out there and I was like, it's kind of just a GT with an appearance package, and he was like, And I was like, what do you mean? He's like, there's a Whipple on it. I'm like, no, there's not. It makes no noise. I drove it in. It didn't make any noise.
No noise.
So then I popped it. And I was like, oh.
It's the new Ford one.
Yeah.
So the only way to make more of a winding noise is just basically by opening up the tops of the airs. They make air boxes like third party, but it's retarded, honestly, because it's $400 for like a small piece of plastic that literally all it does is cuts out the top part of the box. So I think I might take the tops off, but that'd be about it. Yeah, I don't think it will that much, because you have to get it to like 5,000 RPM to even hear it that much.
Really?
Yeah. Got the wheels, got the tires, and you know we had to pop out with the Porsche. We all came to the gym real quick before we go out for the night, get some rollers, probably race a little bit. Maybe. No? Nothing? You didn't hear me. So the next footage you'll see is the last of this video, and we're all gonna go together. And where do you want to run? 589? We gotta take it on the highway. Mexico Highway. So we'll see you. The first clip's gonna be Nick, because Nick's gonna record it.